Super secrets for repairing your dog-related issues. Anyone can go out and get a dog and bring him home. However, if you wish to properly care for your dog, you must know what you're doing. Pay attention to the following helpful advice so that you can make sure your dog has everything it needs in order to live a long and healthy life. Always, have your dog spayed or neutered. This reduces the chances of cancer and helps keep the stray animal population down. Also, dogs that have been neutered or spayed stick closer to home, limiting their exposure to dangerous traffic and other hazards. If your dog is very rowdy or easily excitable, experts recommend that you don't bring them along on vacation. Many times the thrill and confusion of a new area filled with strangers is too much for the hyper dog and unpleasant incidents may occur. Find a great kennel to care for your pooch instead. If you are in the market for a new puppy, make sure you will have enough time to devote to his training. On average, you need to take a young dog outside to do his business 8 times a day, and that can take a lot away from your schedule. Training takes more time and patience than most people realize. If your vet gives you medication to take home and administer to your dog, be sure and ask for ideas on getting him to swallow it. Dogs differ in their tolerance of pills and badly flavored liquids, so have a few tricks up your sleeve in case he resists. Getting a dog to take medicine is important, but often challenging. When you are trimming your dog's nails, keep a close eye on the tips of the nails. Once you see a pale oval on the tip, stop clipping. This is a sign that you are close to the vein. If you go too far, apply a little bit of styptic powder to it to help stop the bleeding. It is very important for you to keep your dog's ears clean. Keeping the inside of the ears clean will help prevent infections of the ear. This is also a good time for you to inspect the ear for fleas, ticks and any other pests that could have made your dog's ear home. Dogs need a great deal of attention on a daily basis. If you have a hard time making time for your dog, you will soon notice that there are behavioral problems that were not there before. In the least, you should try to set aside an hour each day just to love your dog. Accept the aging process in your dog and know how to meet his changing needs. Your older dog may require dietary changes, more rest and not be as playful as he once was. This doesn't mean he should be left to grow old in a corner. Adapt to his needs and make his golden years enjoyable. Your dog loves you unconditionally, and you want to make sure you provide the most for him. Therefore, it's imperative that you utilize the information you've been given so that you can work towards taking good care of your pet. Your pet deserves proper care, and you can now provide that to him. A professional dog trainer reveals 21 brain games that will skyrocket your dog's intelligence, obedience, and overall behavior. Visit wickedsmartdog.com. You can also discover the secret to making your dog's problem behaviors disappear. Visit wickedsmartdog.com. Or, do you want to learn how to teach your dog to play the piano? How amazing would that be? Please visit wickedsmartdog.com to learn this and more. Link in the description.